Is your Samsung Galaxy screen not responding as smoothly as it should? In this video, I'll show you to enable touch sensitivity for better touch response, especially with a screen protector installed. To begin, unlock your phone and open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap Display. This section contains all the settings related to your screen, including brightness, refresh rate, and touch options. Next, scroll toward the bottom of the display menu until you find touch sensitivity. Tap the switch next to it to turn the feature on. When enabled, the switch will turn blue, indicating that the setting is active. This option activates Samsung's screen protector mode, which increases the display's touch sensitivity. It's designed for users who have a thick tempered glass or plastic screen protector installed, helping the phone detect taps, swipes, and gestures more accurately. Even if your screen protector slightly reduces touch responsiveness, this setting can improve your overall experience. After enabling the feature, there's no need to restart your phone. Simply return to the home screen and start using your device as usual. You should notice smoother navigation and more reliable touch input, particularly when typing, gaming, or using gesture controls. If you don't use a screen protector, you can still try this setting to see if it improves your experience. However, it's primarily intended for devices with screen protectors. We hope this guide made things easier for you. Be sure to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and we'll see you next time.